Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the language in Paralives. Let's begin by opening Settings. From here, go to the General tab. Here at the top should be the Language option. Select it and then you can simply select one of the available language packs. Let's say I want to change the language to German. As you can see, it automatically changes everything. You can also type in your language. Let's say I want to change it to Italian. I simply type in like Italiano, and I can change it to Italian. I'll stick with English though. Once you make your changes, simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.